Okay. The first words I will teach my pup are...
Take a hole and fill up.
Fill it up.
And then take a hole and fill up. And then take a hole and
Fill it up.
fill up. Then take a hole and fill up.
Yep. And this says, I'll teach him walk.
And one side of a was wrapping.
Okay. Then I'll teach him...
Pork and bed. Pork.
No, keep that out while we're reading. I'll give it back after we're done reading. Wag your tail and shake a...
Look, I walk my dog garden.
Scratch your head and blow your nose.
Okay. Wait.
I'll teach him
Mark and black warriors and take away.
big and small, fat and thin, and short and tall.
I teach him why the dog fat and fun and short and tall.
I'll teach him dark and light and day and night.
Night. Wash your
I'll teach him chase the...
Try and eat the food. Follow me.
Follow me. That's right. I'll teach him...
Red, blue, and green, orange. That's another thing.
I'll teach him orange.
Purple, pink, and Betty. Don't I think?
You think he can?
Yes.
I'll teach my dog to paint...
And shares paintable for theater. You paint some underwear.
He'll paint some underwear?
Yes.
That's silly. Cut the grass.
Sharon, she'll get a good criticism. So that's not all my dog will do.
It's not?
No.
He'll toot a bugle,
It's open.
beat a drum,
Down and tell a sound from wherever secret word. So that we know the word that works.
Good job. That's I'll Teach My Dog a Lot of Words by P.D. Eastman and Taylor Ray Peterson.